Did you know there's a bird that has never built its own nest? No collecting twigs, no weaving branches, no spending hours building a cozy little home for its babies. Instead, this bird finds another bird's nest and it lays its eggs inside. Then it flies away. The unsuspecting bird returns, sits on the egg, and raises the baby as if it were its own. But here's what's really fascinating. This bird knew long before humans that working smart can be better than working hard. By saving the time and energy that other birds spend building nests and raising chicks, it can use that energy to lay more eggs during the breeding season. But the other birds aren't completely helpless. Some birds actually recognize a strange egg and throw it out of the nest. So then, this bird had to get smarter. Over generations, some of these birds evolved eggs that closely resemble the eggs of their victims. It is an incredible game of deception and detection happening in nature. So, do you know which bird we are talking about? It's the cuckoo. What do you think? Is the cuckoo really the laziest bird on earth? Or is it simply one of nature's smartest strategists?